It is a beautiful day outside. Look at this. That's the PenFed headquarters, one of the biggest credit unions in the US. That building used to be a USA newspaper headquarters. They moved. And the beautiful sound of the Boxer. Again, it's controversial. Some people think that it's a tractor. Some people love it. Some people don't like it. Frankly, I love it. Yeah, look at it. That never gets old. Never, ever. Every time I start the bike, I absolutely love it. Let's put the, hold on, we didn't put the airbag vest on. There's just so many things to do, right, when you're riding a motorcycle, and especially if you're someone like me who wears full gear all the time,